Welcome. In today's guide, I'll show you step by step how to enable app icon badges for uploads and downloads notifications on Google Drive. This is really useful if you want to quickly see when a file is uploading, downloading, or if something needs your attention, all without having to open the app. Let's jump right in. First, go to your phone's settings. This is where you'll find all the tools to customize how your apps behave. Once you're there, scroll down and tap on Apps. Next, look for Google Drive in your list of apps and open it. This is where you can adjust specific settings just for Drive. Tap on Notifications, and this section will let you control what kind of alerts you get from the app. Inside the notification menu, tap on Notification Categories. These categories are designed to break down different types of alerts that Drive can send. Instead of lumping everything together, you'll be able to pick which notifications are most important to you. From here, tap on Uploads and Downloads. This is the category that handles the alerts when you upload or download files in Drive. By default, app icon badges might be turned off, which means you won't see that small number or symbol showing up on the Drive app icon whenever there's activity. The last step is simple. Toggle on app icon badges. Once this option is enabled, Drive will show a clear indicator on the app's icon whenever an upload or download is happening, giving you an easy way to stay on top of file progress without needing to constantly check the app. And that's it. With just a few adjustments in your settings, you now have icon badges set up for Google Drive. This little feature might seem small, but it makes a big difference in keeping track of your uploads and downloads quickly and efficiently. If you found this guide helpful, remember to use these steps whenever you want to fine-tune notification settings for other apps as well. It's a simple way to stay more organized and in control of your phone.